Just think that the walkthrough is one of the most powerful pieces of marketing that we have. And again, I say this to people all the time, not just when you're here. It is amazing how engrossing it is. And I don't think agents realize it, because agents, unless they've sold their house, unless they've bought a house and used Matterport as a buying tool, they just don't know, because they don't realize how much more engrossing it is, even than the best photography. And I think great photography is a necessity, but I think that the photography draws you in, and if you see a Matterport and you click on it and you start walking through the house, I will tell you, I know where the plugs are. I look at stuff like that. And now I'm still using the Matterport of the place I bought, because we're buying furniture. So I use the measurement tool all the time to measure for furniture. And I also will bring the Matterport when I'm looking with designer, the designer that works at the furniture place. I show them and say, well, listen, here's what the room looks like. Here's the floor, here's the height, here's the width, here's the room sizes. So we work with them on trying to make sure the furniture will harmonize with the floors and with the mantle and everything like that. It is to me it's the best thing that's ever come to real estate marketing, and I would use it for any house or any property, a house, a luxury, a vacation home. The people who do vacation homes, someone in New York is looking, they want to know whether they should fly down to Florida to go look at this house. Well, the way they're going to know to do that is whether it's got a Matterport. I really believe that, and I've been saying it for, almost 10 years now. But I think it's amazing. I think it's amazing. I still am amazed at it, and I discover new things about it all the time. Like I flip the house around and I'm looking at it from the side angle so I can see how the ceiling heights are different, and